Hi guys, welcome back to the Chosen Stores YouTube channel. Now I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be talking about two products which are absolute game changers when it comes to your everyday beauty needs. So the first product that I want to talk about is TOR Bright. It is based on an ingredient that is patented for its skin smoothing and skin softening effects, and that is MSM. Extremely rich in sulfur. It has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, it is extensively used in sports medicine for post-workout recovery, faster healing and increased performance. TOR Bright is a multitasker. It has been designed to come together to work for skin wellness, stronger hair and nails, and a safe and effective route for overall improved health. It can be taken at any time of the day with water or any beverage of your choice. Now let's move on to the next product. Now, because of our lifestyle and requirements these days, we are into a lot of excessive facials, topical steroids and bleaching creams, which in turn leads to skin damage and skin sensitivity. So if you want to reduce, reverse and recover these damages, then you can do it with Red Covery. So it is suitable for all skin types, but it was specifically developed for people with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Red Covery treats cosmetic intolerance syndrome. It is suitable for treating steroid-damaged skin as well as decreasing melasma. Red Covery Serum can be used in the daytime for up to 2 hours. Make sure to cleanse and follow through with sunscreen after cleansing. The best time to use Red Covery Serum is at bedtime so that it can be left overnight. Visible results in as early as 7 days with even better skin improvement with continued use. Reduction of redness, skin clarity, reduced inflammatory acne and reduced skin sensitivity at 6 weeks of use. So it's now time for you to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you in the next one.